In this podcast episode, Lewis Howes welcomes spiritual teacher and author Gary Zukav, who shares profound insights on love, consciousness, and the nature of reality. Zukav, known for his best-selling book The Seat of the Soul, discusses the transformative power of love and the shift from an old consciousness to a new one. This conversation delves into various subjects that illuminate the path to authentic power and spiritual awakening. Zukav begins by emphasizing the fundamental truth that the universe is love. He explains that love is not merely an emotion, but the very essence of existence. Everything in the universe is interconnected, and recognizing this connection is crucial for personal and collective growth. Zukav asserts that love transcends the limitations of the physical world, and understanding this can lead to a more profound experience of life. He elaborates on the idea that nothing is separate from the universe, and thus we are all unique expressions of love. This perspective encourages individuals to embrace their inherent power and recognize that their thoughts and actions shape their reality. By aligning with love, one can create a life filled with meaning and purpose, moving beyond fear and negativity. Zukav contrasts the old consciousness, which is limited to the five senses, with the emerging new consciousness that allows for a broader understanding of reality. He explains that the old consciousness perceives the world through a narrow lens, often leading to feelings of separation and fear. In contrast, the new consciousness invites individuals to experience life beyond the physical realm, tapping into non-physical realities and deeper truths. This shift in consciousness is essential for personal evolution. Zukav notes that many younger generations, such as millennials and Gen Z, are naturally gravitating toward this new consciousness, often without even realizing it. They are more open to exploring spiritual concepts and understanding their interconnectedness with the universe, which is a significant step toward collective awakening. A central theme in Zukav's teachings is the dichotomy between fear and love. He asserts that fear is the root of many negative emotions and behaviors, such as anger, jealousy, and resentment. These emotions stem from a frightened part of our personality that seeks to protect itself, but ultimately leads to destructive patterns. Zukav emphasizes that the opposite of love is not hate, but fear. By recognizing fear as a driving force behind our actions, individuals can begin to make conscious choices that align with love. Zukav encourages listeners to challenge their frightened parts and cultivate a loving perspective. This process involves becoming aware of one's emotions and choosing to respond with love, even in challenging situations. By doing so, individuals can transform their experiences and create a more fulfilling life. Zukav introduces the concept of authentic power, which he defines as the alignment of one's personality with their soul. He explains that authentic power is not about external achievements or control over others, but rather about inner strength and the ability to act from a place of love. This shift in understanding power is crucial for personal growth and spiritual development. He emphasizes that authentic power is cultivated through self-awareness and conscious choice. By recognizing the frightened parts of our personality and choosing to act from love, we can create a reality that reflects our true essence. Zukav encourages listeners to embrace their unique gifts and use them to contribute positively to the world, fostering a sense of community and connection. Throughout the conversation, Zukav shares his personal journey of self-discovery, highlighting the importance of introspection and reflection. He recounts his experiences with addiction and how they ultimately led him to a deeper understanding of love and connection. Zukav emphasizes that the path to self-discovery is not always easy, but it is essential for personal growth. He encourages listeners to explore their own journeys and embrace the lessons that come from their experiences. By acknowledging both the light and dark aspects of oneself, individuals can gain a more comprehensive understanding of their true nature. This journey of self-discovery is a vital component of awakening to the new consciousness and manifesting a life filled with love and purpose. Zukav discusses the significance of intention in shaping our experiences and reality. He explains that intentions are not merely goals, but the underlying energy that drives our actions. When we set intentions rooted in love and compassion, we create a positive ripple effect in our lives and the lives of others. He encourages listeners to be mindful of their intentions and to align them with their authentic selves. By doing so, individuals can manifest their desires more effortlessly and create a life that reflects their true essence. Zukov emphasizes that the universe responds to our intentions, and by cultivating a loving mindset, we can attract positive experiences and opportunities. The conversation also touches on the concept of karma, which Zukov describes as the consequences of our actions and choices. He clarifies that karma is not a form of punishment or reward, but rather a natural outcome of our intentions and behaviors. Every moment in our lives is a karmic necessity, and understanding this can help individuals navigate their experiences with greater awareness. Zukov encourages listeners to take responsibility for their choices and to recognize that they are the authors of their own stories. By embracing the lessons that come from their actions, individuals can learn and grow, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life. He emphasizes that karma is an opportunity for growth and transformation rather than a source of fear or guilt. Zukov highlights the importance of relationships in our spiritual journey. He explains that our connections with others serve as mirrors, reflecting our inner states and helping us to understand ourselves better. By engaging in meaningful relationships, we can learn valuable lessons about love, compassion, and forgiveness. He encourages listeners to approach their relationships with an open heart and a willingness to learn. By cultivating authentic connections, individuals can experience the beauty of love and support, which is essential for personal growth. Zukov emphasizes that relationships are not just about romantic partnerships, but encompass all forms of connection, including friendships and family ties. Zukov discusses the inevitability of change and transformation in our lives. He emphasizes that as we evolve and awaken to the new consciousness, we will encounter challenges and opportunities for growth. Embracing change is essential for personal development, and Zukov encourages listeners to view it as a natural part of the journey. He shares his own experiences of transformation and how they have shaped his understanding of love and connection. Zukov emphasizes that change can be uncomfortable, but it often leads to greater clarity and purpose. By embracing change, individuals can align themselves with their authentic selves and create a life that reflects their true essence. Gratitude is another key theme in Zukov's teachings. He explains that cultivating a sense of gratitude can significantly impact our overall well-being and perspective on life. By focusing on the positive aspects of our experiences, we can shift our mindset and attract more abundance and joy. Zukov encourages listeners to practice gratitude daily, whether through journaling, meditation, or simply taking a moment to appreciate the beauty around them. He emphasizes that gratitude is a powerful tool for transformation, helping individuals to connect with their authentic selves and the universe. By embracing gratitude, we can foster a deeper sense of love and connection in our lives. In the final segments of the conversation, Zukov speaks about the journey towards unity and interconnectedness. He emphasizes that as we awaken to the new consciousness, we begin to recognize the oneness of all beings. This realization is essential for creating a more compassionate and loving world. Zukov encourages listeners to embrace their unique gifts and use them to contribute to the greater good. By fostering a sense of unity and connection, we can create a more harmonious and loving environment for ourselves and others. He emphasizes that the journey towards unity is ongoing and requires commitment, courage, and compassion.